Hey guys, it's Monday afternoon. Getting ready to put our first coat of the Pour 15 on. I wanted to show you guys what we've used so far. First off, we cleaned the whole frame, got all the loose stuff off. Then we used Pour 15's cleaner degreaser. Stuff works great. We mixed it to a 4-to-1 ratio when we used it. You can mix up to a 10-to-1 ratio with that. And then yesterday we did the metal prep, which pretty much etches all the steel so the Pour 15 will stick to it. As you can see, it turns it like a white chalky color. And then today we'll be putting on Pour 15 2 coats of this. It says 2 to 6 hours in between coats, so I'm hoping time I start in the back, go to the front, it'll be ready to put the next coat on by the time I get to the back. And then after 2 coats of that, we'll be putting the top coat on, which helps it if it gets any UV light. They recommend to use their top coat, so we're going to use the top coat. And I guess let's get started. They say you should use a respirator for it. We're outside, so hopefully we'll see. And make sure you cover your skin. It says you get it on your hands or whatever, it'll be on for weeks. So use some rubber gloves and a hat so you don't get it in your hair. But let's see what we can do. Tuesday evening, just got home from work. It's been raining here all day long today. Kind of a crappy day outside. We got the first coat of the Pour 15 about 3/4 of the way on the bus last night. Ran out, so I had to get some more ordered up. Hoping that's going to be here tomorrow so we can finish that, and then we'll scuff this up with some 320 and then go over that with the second coat, and then get our top coat put on. But I figured tonight while we're waiting, we'll get the hubs off, all 4 hubs, and the rotors off so we can put the brand new rotors on it. I'm going to clean the hubs all up, paint them all up, repack all the bearings. Yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. I got the other 3 hubs off last night. I was actually jacking the frame up to get it away from the house a little bit, and my hand hit the frame and it shattered my damn wedding ring. I don't know what the heck, but woo-wee! That hurt a little bit. But let's get this last hub off. All right, we got all the hubs off. Gotta pop the inside seals out of every one of them. Get all the bearings out so we can clean them, inspect them. They all look pretty decent, so we should be good. I'm putting all new seals in. And then try to get these rotors off. They look pretty rough, but I think with a little heat and impact, I think we should be able to get them out. And we'll clean the hubs up, paint them up, and put the new bearings in, seals in, new rotors on them, and put them back on. Let's get going. we got all the rotors off. Gonna get those, all the hubs put into the parts washer. Get them prepped for paint. Get all the inside the race, by the race and everything cleaned up. And then the seals are supposed to be here tomorrow. So yeah, we'll get them painted up tomorrow. Get the rotors back on them, get the seals, the bearings all back on them, and we'll be ready to bolt back on the bus. It's Thursday evening. Just got done getting the rotors on, hubs all painted. Probably about all we'll do for tonight. Our 415 paint, rest of the paint to do the frame is supposed to be here tomorrow. So I think we're gonna get that all sanded, what we've already painted. Paint the rest of the front, and then go ahead and put the second coat of that on, and then the top coat on Saturday. So I'm gonna start posting videos Fridays, mid-afternoon, every week. And then once racing starts picking up, I'm thinking we'll probably do every Friday and probably Sunday mornings for what we've raced over the weekend. But yeah, just make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and come back next time. Until then, we'll see ya.